talking about Dhoni's captaincy, I think he's extremely calm. He's positive playing under him. I'd like to wish Mahi all the very best.
MS has got this fantastic personality of remaining calm under any situation. That's a great quality of a captain. You know, it's citizen, but I think the amount of respect he gets in India is unbelievable.
In Mahendra Singh Dhoni, you've got arguably greatest captains in this country.
That is the beauty about Mahendra Singh Dhoni's captaincy, is the fact that he has got this fantastic gut instinct. He acts on it, and more often than not, it works for him and for his team.
He's one of the best captain we have, and we should respect that. And when you ask question, you have a doubt in your mind. I have no doubt. So I don't even talk about him. He's the best captain.
You know, his cricket ability, his understanding of the game, understanding of situations is priceless.
I think the biggest change is that he has remained himself, and anything that resonates with a great leader is the fact that you can learn and draw a lot of good habits to practice. And he's someone who's led by example. He's remained himself, he's remained calm, he's stayed himself, he's never exuded what needs to be exuded and given enough liberty.
Whatever he has done over there, so you can't disrespect him. What he has achieved, so many trophies for the BCCI. At the same time, he's a good human being. Good.
MS Dhoni is still the best leader.
And we know if he's there for long enough, he's an extremely dangerous player. And we've seen throughout his whole career, he's got India over the line on numerous occasions, and he finds the boundary at the right point. And for him to hit a six off the second ball of the last over, the first ball after it being a wide, that really got the team home, I guess.
I think for being a good captain, there are two important qualities according to me. You have to be a good strategist. Tactically, you have to be very good, which Dhoni is, and that comes naturally for him because he's a good reader of the game. Dhoni is probably the best captain because of that consistency in the way he communicates to the players. Irrespective of the loss or a win, he's been very balanced, very equanimous, and that makes him very special.
So for me, being honest in life is very important. Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes, that's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out. But if you can do it with a smile, that you'll become part of maybe the 5% persons, who can actually do it. Because at times we crib about life, about the tough period. But what's important is to go through. It's a tough period that actually make you a better human being.
கடக்க வேண்டும் தூக்கம் எரித்தே புறப்பட